Hello amazing people, in today's video I will show you how to make tallow soda soap, a strong long-lasting bar soap that foams well and costs less to produce. I made this tallow soap with just 500 ml of pure tallow oil using hot process. Do you want to know how? Kindly watch how you can produce it on your own with less than 1000 naira. Today production will be using hot process, and here is my tallow 500 ml. This is a beef tallow, that is the fats that we remove from cow, and I'll be using 700 ml of clean water. The next in my hand is my soda ash, followed by sulfates, soda ash, sodium sulfate. That's my sodium sulfate. I will list all the ingredients on the screen. Then this is caustic soda, then followed by my test sapon, which is served as foam booster. This is my mold. Then the first thing I'm doing is adding my caustic soda into my clean water. Clean water, I use 250 grams of clean water, mils of clean water, adding 90 grams of caustic soda into it. Then the next is the remaining water out of the 700. We dissolve our caustic soda for the part of it. So I added my soda ash, also is 90 grams. 90 grams of soda ash goes into the water. Then the next I'm adding now is my sodium sulfate. And sodium sulfate, I use 75 grams of sodium sulfate. And as I added it to it, I make sure I stir both together very, very well. Both the soda ash and sodium sulfate. Then the next one I'm adding now is my calcium carbonate. 100 grams of calcium carbonate. I added it to it, then I continue stirring it. Remember, we use 700 ml of clean water. And here is my tallow. I've already melted the tallow. 500 ml of tallow oil added into my stainless bowl. Then I added my light solution into my tallow, and as I add it to it, I continue stirring it. Always use stainless bowl for your hot process soap. If you use aluminum pot, it can damage your production. So use stainless pot always. Then I added the next mixture into it. Remember, we have soda ash here, we have sodium sulfate, and we have calcium carbonate. All the three ingredients mixed together in same bowl. So this is it that I'm adding into my tallow oil and light solution. And as I added it, I continue stirring it vigorously. Stir it gently and stir it very, very well. So you'll be wondering, will this ever come together? Because it look watery. No, don't worry. This is hot process. It will surely come together. Then I continue stirring it. Here, prepare your heat sauce. Whatever you want to use as heat sauce to cook your soap, your charcoal pot, kerosene stove, or your cooking gas, any one of it. Then prepare it. So you can see me, I'm checking it now. So it's ready for cooking. So I will transfer it into my heat sauce. So I now place it on top of my cooking gas on a very, very low heat. You have to be patient when you are dealing with hot process. Then I continue stirring it. Always use stainless pot like this for your hot process soap. Don't use aluminum pot, and don't use any of your cooking pot. Make sure you separate whatever you are using to make your chemical stuffs. Separate it from what you are using in your kitchen. So as you can see, it has started coming together gradually, but you have to put it on a low heat. Then I continue stirring it. Do you know you can make cold process of this same ingredient? Yes, with all the ingredients I'm using for my hot process, you can use it as well for your cold process. And if you want me to make cold process of it, kindly drop it on the comment section. Just drop cold process and I will take my time to do the video on the cold process. What I'm adding now is my foam booster. Already, if you look at the production, you will see that it has started thickening up. It has already thick very well. So I added my foam booster. I have to rush and take this soap to my kitchen because rain have started falling. You can see it has already strong cake. Before I will put on the gen, start putting it into the mold. Already the soap have already strong. I have to rush everything and add it into the pour it into the mold and allow it to set. So here is the soap 24 hours later. It's not up to 24 hours. Let's just say 6 to 7 hours later. The soap have already strong, as in strong very well. Maybe if you have been complaining, you have been making soap that is not strong, try tallow soap. With tallow oil, you will get a very strong bar of soap. So adding silicates is an optional. If you like, you add sodium silicates or you just do it the way I did my own. You can see that my tallow soap still came out beautifully. So now, for those of you that have been asking me, how can I use my tallow oil to make soda soap? So I just want to tell you that the same way you make your bar soap, you can still use your tallow oil to make your soda soap. That is why I use two types of mold. I use the other type for bar soap, and this one I use it for soda soap. So the soda soap and the bar soap is just the way you present it. That is the only changes there. So you can see that tallow soap give us beautiful soda soap, and at the same time it gave us beautiful bar soap. Look at it, shiny and beautiful, and it's very, very strong as well. So now you can see that you can use your tallow oil to make bar soap and soda soap, even with the same ingredient. And I promise to make the cold process of it. For those of you that like making cold process, drop it in the comment section if you want me to make a cold process. Now let's check our tallow soap. Maybe it foams. You know, you cannot make tallow soap without adding foam booster. I wanted to explain everything, but you know, due to the rain that is coming when I was trying to make the soap, so I just have to rush everything. Maybe if I try to do the cold process, I will explain better for you. So here is the soap. You can see that it foams, it lathers very, very well with the help of the foam booster. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thanks for always watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.